evening, viewers. I am Dornab Goswami. This is my news hour, Dorna Mana Hai, wherein you can speak your heart out. You can humiliate, you can rebuke, you can scold anyone you like, and the others will just see there and will not be able to do anything. They'll be waiting for their turn desperately, but oh, I forgot to tell you, it will not be you who will be doing all these things, it will be me. I am Dornab Goswami. This is my show and I can do whatever I want. Now that the lockdown has been extended for 2 more weeks, we have invited a panel of guests. We will be asking them questions on what are the plans to do during the lockdown, how are they planning to fight Corona, what are the suggestions for our viewers. We will get to them shortly. Before I invite our first guest of the evening, the nation wants to know what happened to my specs. How come they are broken? Recently you would have heard that I was attacked, and this is the aftermath of that, and I do not have money to replace them. So let's continue with the show. First guest of the evening is none other than Abhitabh Bachpan. Please put your hands together and let's welcome Mr. Abhitabh Bachpan.
नमस्कार 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 डोरनब जी स्वागत 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 है तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए
Mr. Bachpan, before we continue with further questioning, I would like to ask, why are you wearing black goggles in broad daylight?
आपने तो देखा ही होगा ये मेरा चश्मा खो गया क्योंकि पता नहीं मैं किधर रख दिया है। इंस्टाग्राम पे तो मैंने स्टोरी भी छोड़ा था इसके ऊपर सारे फिल्म स्टार्स ढूंढ रहे थे इसको हैं, याद आया वो फिर से खो गया, इसलिए मैंने ये गॉगल्स पहन लिए।
Thank you, Mr. Bachpan. I have to ask you, our viewers are asking, what is the solution that you have to fight Corona? What is the homemade remedy that you have found that you can share with our viewers which will help them fight Corona? Please share it with us.
It's a very simple concoction. अर्नब जी एक काम कीजिए, आप 2 बूंद जिंदगी की लीजिए, मतलब 2 बूंद पोलियो की लीजिए, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा या नवरत्न तेल मिलाइए भैया, पी जाइए, उसके बाद सुबह कोरोना गायब। आरो रेखा आई मीन जया, बर्तन भी मांजने मुझे है यू सी सब कुछ करना पड़ता है अपने को। ओके, बाय बाय अर्नब, बाय बाय व्यूअर्स, टेक केयर, शुभरात्रि, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए।
That was Mr. Bachpan. Now moving on to our next guest of the evening. He is none other than Swami Mithyanand. Please put your hands together.
Please understand the me in me talking to me in you versus me in me talking to me in everyone is me in me equal to MC square.
Hold on, Swami Mithyanand. I have not asked my questions and you have started answering already. Hold on. I have to ask you, are you not afraid of coronavirus? Why do you think that you have an upper hand over coronavirus? Is it not going to affect you and your disciples? What do you have to respond for this? The nation wants to know.
It is very simple. Let me make you understand. Please understand, as a part of Pachapatti Varadam, the me in me versus the me in disciples and versus the me in Corona. When the me in Corona tries to attack the me in me and the me in disciples, we will go on Samadhi. The me in Corona will get confused and it will not able to find who to attack. So it will get confused and it will get depressed and it will go away and die somewhere. And that is the plan. You do not understand. This is Paramasivan.
What an answer. Your answer gave diarrhea in my brain. Before I kill you or I kill myself, I request you to get lost. Now let's welcome the next guest of the evening. He is an alcoholic by birth and by breath. Let's welcome Baburao Ganpatrao Apte.
दारू पीरा था घर पे, काय को बुला मेरे को।
Mr. Baburao, our viewers would like to know why you are so hell-bent upon having alcohol all the time. Why do you want the alcohol shops to open ASAP? Please tell us.
माइला ये डोरनब रे बाबा, ये तू अंग्रेजी में मत बोल रे बाबा, मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है। हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं।
हमारे व्यूअर्स जानना चाहते हैं बाबू भैया कि दारू आपके लिए इतना जरूरी क्यों है और क्यों चाहते हैं कि सारे ठेके जल्द से जल्द खुलने चाहिए। प्लीज हमारे दर्शकों को बताइए।
दारू पीने से कोरोना चला जाता रहे, तक मैं तेरे को समझाएगा। अब दारू पिया ना मेरे बाप ने तो मेरी माँ चली गई, उसके बाद मेरा घर चला गया, हमारा गराज चला गया, तो कोरोना काहे का नहीं जाएगा रे बाबा।
वाह क्या बात है। बाबू भैया जाने से पहले एक बात बताइए, राधिका आप्टे के साथ आपका कोई संबंध?
माइला हमारा संबंध है ना, हमारा संबंध राधिका आप्टे खाली नेटफ्लिक्स एंड चिल, बाबूराव गणपतराव आप्टे दारू एंड चिल। जा खंबा लेके आए, खंबा की तरह खड़ा रह मत रे, जा।
Now we have the most important person of India as our esteemed guest. Please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Narendra Modi.
मित्रों, भाइयों बहनों, नमस्कार डोरनॉब जी।
मोदी जी नमस्कार। हमारे दर्शक जानना चाहते हैं लॉकडाउन खुलेगा कि नहीं और कब खुलेगा, जल्दी बताइए, हम उत्सुक हैं।
लॉकडाउन तभी खत्म होगा जब राहुल गांधी प्रधानमंत्री बनेगा।
There you have it, viewers. We have got an answer from Mr. Narendra Modi about the lockdown ending. I'm not sure when that is gonna happen, but I sure as well am gonna take a break.